So this car is currently running because it's been stolen, so the cops apprehended the key. They took it and they put it in evidence right now. So the 2 keys that are actually supposed to be with the car are no longer with the car, so they called us out to the police station. We're making the keys to the vehicle currently right now because they said their old keys do not work. So we're going to turn the ignition off in a moment, but the key that's running the vehicle is not with us. So we're going to go, as you can see, it says key fob left vehicle, but we have the 2 keys in here. That's because the keys are in evidence right now. So we're going to go ahead and just let's turn this off. It's a 2014 Grand Cherokee. We're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle off. As you can see, you can't turn it on because there's no keys present in the vehicle. We're going to go to emo status scan. All right, we're scanning everything. These are currently all the faults in the vehicle right now before even starting anything. That's 8 faults in the trouble codes, and then that's in the BCM, and then in the RFH we have 1 fault. Let's see what that is. Key fob battery low. So let's go ahead and just do a quick erase just to make sure none of those are going to cause issues. Whatever we could get erased. Okay, still what's on there? Okay. Let's do all keys lost because we want to erase all the keys that are not in the system. And hold up. First we want to go to read pin code. Let's turn on the hazard lights. Hazard lights are on. Okay, we got to make sure you're connected to internet. Right, it was giving us issues on CAN type 1, so we went to CAN type 2. The code is 8349. Now we can go to keyless system, key learning, erase keys. Actually, let's go to key learning. That's going to erase all the keys anyway. To learn pro, you have to finish erase key first. Okay. 8349. It is correct. We'll say okay. All right. We'll hold this next to the start stop button. All right. The first key, we just push the lock unlock button and that programmed in. And now we're going to try it on the second one. Correct number of keys. Well, we want to go, let's first go ahead and erase the keys. I thought it was going to do that. It didn't. It just added it in. We're going to say yes. We want to make sure there's no keys in the vehicle at all. So the keys that were working are no longer working. Number of keys are 0. Now let's go to key learning. Number of keys are 0. We do want to learn a key. All right, we're going to take our key, hold it right here, and push the unlock button. All right, that one's not working. Let's take our other one that was working and put it right there. All right, that one programmed. We're going to try this one again, but honestly, it's 2 different FCCs. He said it worked this vehicle, but I really don't know. Learning successful. Ignition is off. We're going to take this key right here and we're going to try. Let's see if that'll program in. gotta sometimes put it in different spots, but I'm gonna try it right here.